Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I have a student who often lies and says she left her folder at home, but in fact, she doesn't want to turn it in because she did not do her homework. Help. First of all, homework, my least favorite thing for kids. But everybody has their ideas of what homework is for. It's really a lesson in independence and responsibility more than getting the job done. Her excuse, I left it at home, is as good as the dog ate it. So when you think about that, you got to just confront her with it. And you got to say, hey, listen, here's how it's going to go down. When you come in and you don't have your folder, you're going to have another copy, and we're going to work out a time in your day when you're going to have to get some of this done so we know what's going on. I'm not going to keep arguing with her over whether she left her folder at home, whatever happened. I'm just going to present her with the task that needs to be done, and we're going to figure out how she's going to get it done during the school hours. And eventually, it may help her to remember that folder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.